What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am cruising in the truck. I guess it's time for another episode of Truck Vids. That's right, Truck Vids. You know, working, multitasking, all of these things are important in today's day and age. Trying to earn a living, make an income, provide for your family, so on and so forth. And Warren Buffett said it best, right? If you don't find a way to make money in your sleep, you'll work till the day you die. And that's true. It is absolutely true. So having an additional stream of income could drastically change most people's lives. And I think that is extremely important to try to figure out what you can do in today's day and age to have some sort of knowledge of how to accomplish this. Since time is the most important thing, that is the hardest to really get back because it just doesn't stop for anybody. Finding the time to do everything is not easy for some people. And if you're at home and you get a chance to be a stay-at-home mom or a stay-at-home dad, or you happen to be disabled, or you have something going on where you just don't have a job anymore, or whatever the deal is, and you have time, well, this is the time to get educated. Educating yourself is the most important thing that you could ever do for yourself, because knowledge of something new, right, can completely change your situation, right? So, like my mentor, Nick Anderson, always says, information changes situations, and that is absolutely true. The more informed you are, the better information that you have, the more better decisions that you have the ability to make, right? Because you have more information. So the only way you're going to better yourself is to get educated. I guess the real question is, though, is what do you want to get educated on? What you decide is important to you, or what you might have an identification with, or something that you want to create a niche of some kind, or you might have expertise in something. These things, you might be able to utilize these kinds of things that you already have education, whether it's formal or through experience, to turn around and build upon that, to build something else for yourself in the future. But to learn how to build that, and to learn how to utilize some of the most important tools that has ever been around in our generation now, which is the internet, is you got to get comfortable with learning something that you may not be familiar with. And that's what we're teaching here at the online Business.app. It's not just about affiliate marketing. It's not just about trying to earn additional income. It's about learning and education. Because the greater the education that you have, the further that you can take whatever your passion may be, or whatever your skill set may be, or whatever you have a want or a drive to learn, and take that further, and to be able to utilize that to do something with it. So we're all given the gift of choice. We're all given the gift of life. So as Nick also says, we're the only species in the world that has to pay to live on this planet. No other species has to pay money to live on planet Earth. And no matter where you live, you have to pay some sort of monetary value that you have to gain, so that way you are able to survive. So nothing could be more important than getting that information to help change your situation, and that's what we are doing here. So I encourage you, if you have the time, if you have the drive, or if you have just the curiosity, to attend our weekly live webinar. It is free to attend. And by attending the live webinar on Saturday, it's 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. So depending on where you live in the world, you can do the math on that. But on that live webinar, not only do we learn and help further our education, 21 people get a chance to win, get a chance to win $100 each, because we're giving away $2,100 on that webinar every Saturday. I have been on the webinars. I have won multiple times, and I am extremely grateful and thankful. And having an attitude of gratitude is super important. If If you're not sure how to do that, why don't you go ahead and click on my previous video. That'll kind of help you have a little 10-step process on how to develop an attitude of gratitude, which can extremely change your life. So I'd recommend that as well. But attending a live webinar where you can learn from people who have an incredible amount of experience in the industry and have the kind of success that you would want is the kind of person you'd want to learn from. So if there's anything you want to learn in the world, the best person to learn it from is from the people who have the kind of success or the kind of knowledge that you're looking to attain. That is the absolute best place. And if you want to learn anything about affiliate marketing, if you want to learn anything about how to grow a hyper-profitable business online, if you want to learn about how to scale your current business regardless of what that is in, which I currently do for my company here, All Weather Exteriors as well, and that's one of the major things that I've learned here at the Business.app is how to help benefit my company and help reduce some of my advertising costs, which are incredible, by the way. It takes a lot of money to run a company, and advertising costs are probably the most expensive part of that budget, so there's so much that you can learn, there's so much that you can do, and there's so many ways that you can apply it. And whatever your niche is, if you're a plumber, you can apply this. If you're an electrician, you can apply this. If you're a nail technician, you want to open up a nail salon, or cosmetics or beauty, or an esthetician, you can apply this knowledge. If you're looking to create like a drop Shopify account, you can learn and apply this knowledge. If you're a paintballer, hey, guess what? You can learn and apply what you learn here with this knowledge, because knowledge is something that somebody can't take from you. So having that life experience and having that knowledge is the most important thing, which leads me to the most important investment that you could ever have in your life. The most important investment is not crypto, it's not stocks, it's not bonds, it's not gold, it's not precious metals, it's not real estate, even though all of those things can be a fantastic investment. The most important investment in your life is you. So take the time to invest in yourself. If you want to invest in yourself with no money, no cost, just your time, well, I would highly suggest you click that link below. You get signed up for our next live webinar every single Saturday, 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. Get yourself involved, get yourself learning about something that you may not ever have known before or ever learned before, because the only thing that you can do for yourself is to gain more information. And regardless of your situation, the more information, the more knowledge you have, the better your situation will be. So I appreciate your time. If you have any comments, throw them down in the comments below. You already know the deal. If you want to holler at your boy, I'm always here. I will get back to you as soon as I absolutely can. Truck Vids. Have a great day.